pagkain pampangyaman, mapatanghalian, hapunan o pang-espesyal na handaan. Laging espesyal sa atin ang mga lutuing manok. Walang Pinoy na di gusto ang fried, grilled or stewed chicken. Kahit anong luto, chicken ang panalo. Kaya't subukan natin at namnamin ang super sarap na manok ng Chicken Inato. Dito lang sa Healthy Eats. Chicken Inato is a chicken restaurant in Quezon City. Already, it has its own tagline that is quite easy to recall. Ang inasal ng Negros. From its humble beginnings, this chicken restaurant is a growing business that has gone a long way from where it used to be.
Naisip namin, why not put the same thing with the twist? So, instead of the usual inasal ng Bacolod, so this time, yung chicken namin is different from them in a sense na we adapt the Filipino taste.
Bestseller ang menu na talagang swak sa gutong Pinoy. Original ang marinade na di mo makakalimutan ang lasa. Tiyak na babalikan mo ang linamnam.
Papasarap yung chicken namin. Siguro yung love namin, yung passion namin sa pag-marinate ng chicken. Actually, pare-parehas lang yung ginagamit siguro namin marination, same spices yung ginagamit sa iba. Ito lang sa amin medyo may konting twist nga kung mapapasin yun. Matamis yung chicken namin.
Being meat savvy, their chicken dishes are very good for the health as well. It's unique knowing that grilled chicken is a high on sodium. Tamang-tamang kainin during hot weather. Reason enough for us to be eating this kind of food nowadays.
Meron din kami kasi mga parang group na nag-R&D for different dishes, new dishes. Kasi gusto namin mapakita lahat ng, kumbaga, every time may changes ng mga menus.
We consider all our foods na serve namin dito as special. How special sa amin lahat yun.
And because this restaurant is very affordable, you can always come back for the great taste of their main dish. The Chicken Inato, ang inasal ng Negros. With that said, we hope you try this new restaurant. We believe that you will enjoy it, so get a piece of it. This has been Chicken Inato from Healthy Eats.